Hi friends, it's Nirmal from Nandanam Exotics and hope you guys are doing great. Today we'll be doing a video on all the lotus that I got this season. Also we'll be discussing about 5 factors that affect the growth and the conditions that you have to maintain to grow lotus. So friends, today's video is going to be a little long. I apologize for that right now itself. Also, those who are new here, please consider subscribing to the channel and press the bell notification button for new updates. Light is one of the most important factor you should consider when growing lotus because they need full day light. When I say full day light, 6 to 6, morning to evening, they should be in full sun. While growing lotus, water is a major component. Always source fresh water and also maintain at least 4 inches of water above the soil surface for the leaves to float. Also keep on topping up the water as it goes down. Soil or medium should always be rich with organic matter and should be very fertile. You should also try to sieve your soil before using it in a pond so that big lumps and stones won't hinder the growth of the tuber. The fourth major component is always fertilizers. Feeding your plant is a major and important part of gardening. Always use organic or chemical fertilizers depending upon the growth style and the stage of growth of the plant. Lotus feeds a lot. It is a very hungry plant. You have to make sure that you feed it rightly. Initial stages of growth should be with nitrogen fertilizers, and later on when it reaches blooming stage, give it potassium and phosphate. I usually use organic fertilizers for my plants, but I occasionally do use chemicals as well, since it's not something that I'm going to consume and there is no fish in the pond. If there is fish in the pond, I'll always suggest to go with organic matter. The last consideration for growing lotus is the size of the container and also the cultivar trait. So consult your seller of the source from which you got the plant, which plant it is. Is it a large cultivar, a medium cultivar, or a small? For large cultivars, you can plant them in big ponds and huge water bodies. Medium cultivars can be grown in a container size of at least 1.5 feet dia, and micros will go even in a small bowl. So friends, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video about the divine flower lotus. It was a pretty long video. I hope you guys were not bored. Until next time, it's Nirmal signing off.